Alright, this is going to be part 2 of Volcanoes, Mountains of Fire. We'll pick up where we left off.
You wouldn't want to swim. Temperatures exceed 2,000 degrees Fahrenheit. Lava spattering is common in these lakes, and sometimes the spattering moves eerily across the surface as if some creature were thrashing about below. Sometimes, the lake surface resembles the plates of our planet, but in miniature, folding, bending, subducting. Lava domes will occasionally form on the lake and may last for hours. When the lake becomes too full, it overflows. Lava rushes down the volcano's slopes in rivers. In some places, the rivers run fast. In others, they slow to a crawl. When a flow begins to slow down, the surface will cool and harden, sometimes encasing flowing lava beneath it, creating a lava tube. Holes in lava tubes are called windows or skylights and provide glimpses of the rushing lava below. Lava tubes are good insulators, and the lava flowing in them will remain hot and fluid much longer than it does in surface flows. When flows exit tubes, they will often broaden, burning their way through forests, crossing roads, engulfing vehicles and homes. Lava is slow-moving, and people have time to escape with a few possessions and pets. Some try to save their homes. Water is sometimes used in an attempt to stop lava in its tracks. Using just 2 garden hoses, 2 men were able to divert a lava flow around this house. And it worked for a few days, but as is often the case, the home would eventually go up in flames. There are different types of lava. One is very fluid. It has the consistency of thick cream. It is called Pohoihoi lava. Another lava type is thick and chunky, and usually slow-moving. It is called A'a lava. In some places, the lava slows to a stop, hardening into black rock as it cools. In other places, the lava doesn't stop, reaching the ocean. Here, you sense a battle as fire meets water. Steam explosions are common as the lava explodes as it hardens. This unusual lava flow is called fire hose lava. At night, the explosions take on an eerie quality. Beneath the water, lava quickly crusts over and then cracks open again, like the egg of an alien creature. This kind of lava is known as pillow lava because of its pillowy shape and has seldom been photographed. Back on the surface, new shorelines form under clouds of hissing steam. What has been destruction now becomes construction as new land is formed, and the big island of Hawaii is now a little bit bigger. Hawaii's volcanoes are referred to as shield volcanoes, their shapes resembling warrior shields. Shield volcanoes have gentle slopes, seldom explode, and are not considered particularly destructive. Other volcanoes have steeper sides and resemble cones. They are called cinder cone volcanoes. This is an example of a cinder cone volcano. Notice the steep slopes. The third type of volcano has features of both shield and cinder cone volcanoes. They are called composite volcanoes. The bases of composite volcanoes usually have gentle slopes, but the slopes at the top are usually steeper. This is an example of a composite volcano, Mount Shasta in California. Again, notice how the slopes are steeper near the top. Most of the world's destructive volcanoes, such as Mount St. Helens, are composite volcanoes. Composite volcanoes can be dangerous, and that's why scientists study them, in the hope of learning more about them and our ever-changing planet. In this program, we have seen that volcanoes are a type of mountain. Volcanoes are created in several ways. One way is when one plate subducts or dives beneath another, causing magma to rise to the Earth's surface and erupt. Another way is when magma rises through the Earth's crust above hotspots. We have seen how most volcanoes are located near subduction zones, and that most of the world's active volcanoes are located in an area known as the Ring of Fire. Finally, we've seen that there are three different types of volcanoes: shield volcanoes, cinder cone volcanoes, and composite volcanoes. While we are impressed by the explosive nature of volcanoes and their fiery displays, we should remember that volcanoes and volcanic activity help contribute to the continuing regeneration of our planet.